bite into bunny bread with a good mood. Then dragging my huge body, I go to my friends. Today again we fight for freedom. Today I'll kneel in front of the public and bite into an apple. I feel good. What's your taste? Do you like strawberries? No way. You like seafood? Maybe not bad. Rather that kind of reverse of a reverse.
Are you a great 100 kilogram or fake?
I'm hungry. Now it's become evening, but I'm sad. One of my friends died today, really. But still, it was really him. Not even flinching at the moan attacks of the Aerofomers. Listening to Radiohead slapping his beautiful belly and biting her arm. We raise a toast to him with wine filled with mechanical